Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. So this is a share of a tiny online haul that I've received yesterday, and I ordered some let me turn this light on. Okay, I ordered some wood pieces, and I really honestly thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, but they turned out to be really small. They're super cute. I'm thinking just painting these would be good, or even leaving them like that, but I think painting them, you know, would be great. So I had ordered some spiders, and I ordered some kitty cats. These are really cute. These I will definitely paint. And I ordered some pumpkins. Those are the pumpkins. And I ordered some skulls. These I will probably paint white. And yeah, I think I can make some of these into little girls. So those are super cute, but like I said, they are pretty small. Oh, and I did order the bats as well. Getting ready for Halloween, and I thought, you know, these would be super cute. So those are the wood pieces that I ordered, and let me show you. I ordered a die, and this is the die that I ordered. I thought it was so adorable, all the little pumpkin faces. So I had to make me a card really quick, just to because I wanted to play around with it. So let me show you the card that I've made. It is a pumpkin card, and I have made it into a shaker. And see right here, I made this pumpkin. I made her little girl, and you can kind of see the foam down at the bottom, because it's got to be cut really thin if you're going to make it into a shaker. Put some eyeballs in there. I put some pumpkins. I put some gold sequins, some lavender ones, just to give it some color. And yeah, the little eyeballs, they are just, you know, they don't always move around, but you know, so maybe the eyeballs I won't use next time. But I thought that was really cute. And on the inside of the card, all I did was cut out a We Are Memory Keepers nesting die that fit inside this card. And this is 4.5. The die is 4.5 by 4.5. And I just thought it was really cute. I thought it came out pretty cute. So guys, that was my quick haul share with you guys. And I will talk, I know someone's going to ask me where I got this little bow. So we were out and about, and my hair was getting in my face. So we went into a store and got one of those really cheap little headbands. And the little bows were on top of the headband, and I pulled it off because I didn't want to walk around with all these you know, bling in my hair. I think this is more for a little girl. But I went ahead and I ripped it off, and I threw it in my purse. And when I was making the card, I remembered, oh, wait a minute, I have the little bows, and I will make, you know, I'll take one of the bows and make that a girl pumpkin. Yeah, so that's what I did. That's where I got that one. All right, guys, that was my quick share with you guys today, and I will talk to everyone later. I'm going to try to put the links to the to these little wood pieces in the description box. So if you are interested, there's quite a few, and I don't remember right offhand how much these were, but I will put them into the description box, and if you're interested, that way you can get some for yourself. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and y'all have a great day.